Hi everyone, I'm Ronan, owner and operator of Roro Designs Powder Coating. I've been in this industry for over a decade and I've come across a multitude of projects where I've learned and created methods that help me achieve some of the best work in the most efficient and productive ways with consistent results. I'm super excited to announce my online powder coating tutorials, where I can share my knowledge to help you learn different avenues of this business. From equipment and tools, blasting and coating tricks and tips, and even some new methods to help elevate your work and overall productivity. These videos cover a variety of projects from start to finish, such as brake calipers, valve covers, brushed aluminum finishes, splatter effects using only powder, and much more. 10 new videos have just dropped on Patreon. Catch you there.